Hello. So today I wanted to talk about the fact that the Anomaly engine, optimized engine, and forks that look like it, like the iX-Ray, for instance, that implements even more like optimizations and other nice features that to having the open X-Ray engine. And basically they will start to use the MSBC like for accuracy, and so to improve the performance of the game. And right now in Wine it doesn't work because we are missing the NUMA topology like description, and so I have a patch that you can just grab and you can build your custom wine with TKG, for instance, with it. It's here, so TKG, like, and just drop it in the one user patches, and then you can just run the game. So I have run it already, but here, like, I can run from like EFP, and right now, so I'm using the optimized engine, and you will see that because it takes a while to load, honestly. But it runs, and that's the thing. Like, it's the difference between you crashing even before getting past the launching screen, basically. Like, I hate I ads. Okay. So this is normal. It always does that, no matter. Like, if you tried the game already, like if you run the base game, like that's what it does in the wine. It takes a while to load the mods, like basically, because like we have a lot of mods. Okay, and then like I'm not using the AVX, so I'm using like the AOE, and you can see I'm using version 1.5. I should update right now. It might be available, but it dropped out today, so oh no, it was yesterday. But anyways, it works. It just crashes. Like, update if you can. If you have a new version, that's better, because this one crashes sometimes. But that's okay. Like, I will be able to show you like it working in the wine. The crashes because like it's not related. It's just memory limitation and a poor garbage collection. But they improved that in the 05 version. And so yeah, before, like when I was trying to run like this like EFP this version, I would get terrible frame drop, and it would be unplayable, basically. Like, especially every time that you need to compute stuff for a life, and like keep in mind I had disabled like all like combat offline, everything. Like, I had population reduced, like, and I shouldn't, like, well, if you look at my hardware, like, I shouldn't need to like my CPU should be able to do that. The only thing is I don't have 3D cache on my CPU, I think, or not a lot. Like, I have 2D cache, but not a lot of it, and like, it's not a processor made for gaming, but it should be able to like render the zone in its full glory, like, no problem. Like, it's made for that kind of purpose. Not really, but yeah, it should work. Like, and so the fact that it wouldn't be playable, like, it would discourage me for playing the game, exploring the zone. But with those kind of optimizations, you can now, and that's really cool. And the fact that we can enjoy those under wine is even more cooler. noticed it takes a while to load, but the base game to like when I mean the base game is like Anomaly, like EFP with all those mods. And I think the base it comes with even more mods, like I've disabled a few ones. So yeah, that's a normal behavior here. Yeah. And so we're in game, Maladex is updated, and yeah. Yeah, not the same, doesn't matter. It's just a test. I just spawn in basically. Yeah. I noticed it loads a little bit faster. Like it was slower before. Okay, like believe me or not, it was slower before. And like as you can see, like I don't have those frame drops anymore. I can just like yes, I have like 30 FPSs right now because I'm like recording, and it's not good by any means, but still like there's no frame drops. It's completely like this has been solved basically because I can use 4 threads. I'm not sure it's like using the same threads. I think it's switching and using the ones that are available or something. But it works. Like that's all I care about. And you can now like really explore the zone in Wine with those big mod packs that have like HD textures and like every nice features that you want, and still have a decent frame rate basically. And that's the goal. And yeah, it works. It's so cool. I really enjoy that. And I'm glad the patch made it work, and it's as easy as that. Like you don't need much more, because I was afraid that I would get into like a sort of marathon where I implement something and then something else needs to be implemented and then something else, and no, you just need NUMA and that's all. And yeah, and enjoy. I know I will I will spend a lot of time exploring the zone now because it's cool. Like it's a nice like engine to have, like, and it's open source, not the AOE, but OpenXRail and all those forks that can implement the IXRail is open source, for instance. So, and I know there are others. So that's nice. Keep it up. See you guys.